Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. How are you guys doing? My name is Tony. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I haven't done this in a long time. I'm going to do a plant related video because it's July and I'm planning of doing another decluttering. My plants are on the top of the list, so that's what we are going to do today. And before anything else, let me show you what plants I have around the house or what's left of the collection that I had. Going to repot today. Have plants of the same kind that are on two different pots, so I'm just going to group them in one pot, and in effect I'll be left with lesser number of plants. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'll see you again later. So I've got all sorts of soil here: peat moss, perlites, mulch. I'm not sure if I should be putting these or this fertilizer, and then I also have this and some more soil in here. So let's get started. This snake plant here, it was originally in the same pot, but I think I've divided into 3 and I sold one already, but I'm gonna put this back on there. And then I have another snake plant here, and this was also bought in the same pot, but I've divided it. I think it's dying, this one. I've kept it in the washroom, so I'm going to move this here. And then I've got the ZZ plant there. I've also divided it. It had a few babies that I had given away already, but I'm gonna put it in one pot. And then here is I forgot the name but it's a peperomia. But anyways, so this was in the same pot as well, and then I've separated them and it's really thriving. It's got some little babies there, so I'm not sure if I should repot this yet because I think it's happy where it is now. And then I have a philodendron scandens here that I'm moving to a hanging pot. And then this is another peperomia angulata, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to move this in a smaller pot. I've got this philodendron. I am going to repot this. And then I have this prayer plant that my cat keeps eating. I'm gonna move it to a hanging pot so my cats won't be able to reach that. And then I've got this and the water. It's so long now. I'll put it on the same pot as this, but I'll move it to a hanging pot. That's what we are doing today. We are decluttering my plants so the multiples will become 1. So that's it, I'm back, I'm done. Finally, it's evening now, it's dark outside, but I was happy. I have downsized the number of my plants to around 17 from almost 30, but that's a big downsize from the last count I had way back in April or June was around 60 plus. So now I'm only left with 17 plants and I'm happy with it. I'm not adding more to it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Are you like me? Are you overwhelmed by having a lot of plants around your house? I mean, I have nothing against plants, but I just find them messy to look at, or maybe I just didn't arrange them well or whatever, but I'm just happy to have a few left, and I'm sure I'm not adding any more to it. I'm past that stage of being a super plant mama or plant tita, but Yeah. Thank you very much again for watching till the end of the video. I hope I see you on the next one. Have a good one. Stay safe, stay strong. Bye.